Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Actions and Stuff 1.4 for Minecraft Bedrock. So this is helpful because it makes it easy to get the pack from the marketplace and activate it right away, so that you can use it in your world without guessing what to do next. Let's get started. So first, log into your Microsoft account and open the game. Next, go to the marketplace and click Continue. Tap the search bar and search for Actions and Stuff. And once you find it, click on it and then buy it from here. After you purchase it, click Download in the top right corner of your screen. Now just wait for it to finish downloading. And once it's done, click Activate Texture Pack at the top right. Then click My Packs. So find Actions and Stuff, then click Activate. Now go to Activate and you should see Actions and Stuff there. If you want to turn it off later, you can click Deactivate anytime. You can also click the settings icon beside it to adjust the resolution. And after that, you can launch your world and play using Actions and Stuff. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and share. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and see you on the next one.